Hey, can you smile for me? Can you smile? Hey there. Hey, Will. What are you doing? What are you doing? Getting excited? You gonna kick? You gonna kick? Huh? What do you say, Will? What do you say? Huh? Oh, yeah? What do you say, Will? Got the hiccups, Will? You got those stupid hiccups?
And we're 100% open for business. You mean 100% open for fun. Here in the best part of the Gulf. Louisiana, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi. This could go on for a while.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing?